Hello, my name is Adriana, and in this video, I will talk you through how to install MoFEM containers using Docker. The instructions are on the MoFEM website under Getting Started, Installation with Docker, JupyterHub. First of all, we will need Docker. For that, we can go to the Docker installation webpage and grab the Docker version for your OS. It works with Mac, Windows, and Linux. On the website, we have a list of containers currently available, and this list will be updated when new containers will be ready. In this video, we will be downloading and installing container for Workshop 2023. What we need to know to grab it is the image name and the tag. We can start by copying the image name and opening Docker. In this version of Docker, the search bar is at the top. Here, we will paste our image name and we'll find us the tags available. The one we want is Workshop 2023. Here we can press on pull or run. I have already installed it before. So by pressing pull, it downloads any new updates as well. This might take some time. You can just press on it, go make yourself a cup of coffee, and come back. After it's been downloaded, the image can be found under Images. You can see it here. And to run the image and make it a container, we click on Run. We open the optional settings, name our container, and provide numbers for the ports. I'm using 2222 and 8000. The first one is for our SSH connections. The second one we'll be using with our web browser. The rest can be left blank, and we just press Run. This will create us a new container. This step is only needed to be done once, and the container can be found under Containers in the left menu. We've got our name and ports. If we show all ports, we can see that the port 8000 is here, and we can click on it, and it will take us to the website. The default username is MoFEM, and the password will be the first password you set. The server is now starting. And now we are inside of the container. The first thing you want to do here is run install.md notebook. It contains just one cell. You can run it with Shift Enter or press Run. Sometimes the notebook can have issues connected to the kernel. And if that's the case, you might want to try a different browser. We found out that Chrome works fine. But these warnings are expected. You don't have to worry about them. And as soon as this star changes to a number, everything is installed. Now it's fine. We can close this tab. You can see the new folder has been created. This provides us with symlinks to all of the MoFEM executables. Now we can go to a folder containing Jupyter notebooks so we can run some programs. Each notebook should contain all of the instructions you might need to run it. It usually starts with theory, which you can follow and find out what the notebook is trying to solve. And then it's got executable cells. You can read through them. As we want. You can follow where the analysis is by seeing which cell has the star next to it. If you want to collapse the window into a smaller one, click on the space on the left. Here, this particular cell goes for an analysis. We can follow the convergence and see when the analysis is done. Most of the notebooks we create provide some kind of visual output. So now you can go and experiment with the notebooks you have access to. Once you have gone through the notebooks you wanted to, you can close the Docker container by going back to the Docker containers and stop the container itself. You can see that status is now exited. And if you try to reload this page, it will no longer be reachable. To restart the container, simply press start again. There is no need to go through the images anymore. The container is now running. You can open it again, start up the server using the computer, and continue with whatever we were doing. Have fun.